us to this first episode in a series of episodes where we're going to look at the 2024 Internal Mathematics Paper 1. So, as we start this episode, I would want to encourage you to download our companion app that you are seeing on the screen. In this app, you're going to find a lot of materials. You're going to find past papers. You're going to find quizzes based on the past paper questions with detailed explanation that I believe will be helpful to you as you prepare to smash your exams. Remember, practice makes it permanent. So head to Google Play Store and download the app, or you can use the link that you're seeing in the description section. So we look at question 1. Simplify 3 open bracket 2x minus 4 close bracket minus 2 open bracket x minus 1 close bracket. So this question always comes. So the purpose of this question is to test your ability to deal with negative numbers and the brackets. So if you follow the principle properly, this question becomes much easier. So let us deal with this question. So the first thing, what you need to do is multiply this 3 with 2x, so it will be 3 times 2x. Then next, this 3 multiplied by negative 4, so it's going to be plus 3, because 3 is a positive, negative 4, like that. Then we have this negative 2, so it will be negative 2, then times x, then this negative 2 times negative 1, so negative 2 times negative 1. So it's at this point that you need to pay particular attention. So if you notice, I multiplied 3 and 2x, then the same 3 with negative 4, which is this one. Then I got this negative 2, which is this one, multiplied by x. Then I got this negative 2 multiplied by negative 1. So there you need to pay particular attention. Then it will be 3 times 2x, it will be 6x. Then we go to 3 multiplied by negative 4, to be negative 12. Then we move to this one, which will be negative 2 times x, to be negative 2x. Then we move to this one, which is negative 2 times negative 1. So negative times negative is a positive. So we are going to have positive 2. So remember, the principle is when you multiply two numbers with different signs, you get a negative. When you multiply two numbers with the same sign, you get a positive. Then at this point, you just collect in the like terms, so it will be 6x. You notice that this is negative 2. So this whole thing, you get it, so it will be negative 2x. Then this negative 12 minus this, then plus 2, because this is a positive. So it's at this point when you are rearranging and when you are multiplying that people make a lot of mistakes. So avoid those mistakes. So 6x minus 2x, the same as I have 6 apples, I take out 2 apples. I'm going to remain with how many apples? There will be 4x, which is 4 apples. Then I move to the negative 12 times, which is negative 12. Then I move 2 steps to the positive, which is the same as negative 12 plus 2, which will give me negative 10. So this negative 10 is the simplified version, which if you want, you can also write as you factor out 2, so it will be 2 into 4x, it will be 2x, then 2 into negative 10, it will be negative 5, or that. So this is the simplified version, or this is the neater way, or the original version, which is 4x minus 10, which is a simplified version. So once you do this, you are good to go. You get the 2 marks. So thank you for joining me in this episode. Please join me in the next episode as I look at question 2 in detail.